example 2. So this one will guide you, okay, and it will help you understand the concept very well. All right. So how many degrees does a minute hand of a clock turn from 6:20 a.m. to 8 o'clock a.m. in the same day? All right. So from 6:20 to 8 o'clock a.m. So how many minutes? Okay. So we have 1 hour 40 minutes. So 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay. Now don't forget also that a minute hand clock, okay, makes a minute hand clock makes one complete revolution in every 1 hour. Okay. So in every 1 hour, so in every 1 hour we have 360 degrees. Okay, so we want to convert everything to minutes so that we can also do same here, then multiply. So let's calculate an angle for each minute. Okay, so 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes. So 360 over 60. Okay, this one will cancel, so we have 6. Now having 6 degrees as the angle for each minute, we can go ahead and then calculate for the number of minutes here, then multiply by the angle here, that is 6 degrees. Now from 6:20 to 8 we have 1 hour 40 minutes. So 1 hour 40 minutes to minutes, so 1 hour here is 60, so 60 plus 40 minutes, so we have 100 minutes. Okay, so 100 minutes, and then 1 is 6. So to get the angle or to get the answer here, okay, we have to multiply 100 minutes by the angle here. That would be 6 times 100. That would be 600 degrees. Okay, that's our answer. So this one is very simple. Anytime you are given a question like this, just calculate for the minute. Okay, after knowing your minute, put it down, then divide 360 by 60. That is one complete revolution. Okay, that is for every 1 hour there is one complete revolution. So once you get that, just multiply your minutes by the answer here, then you are gone. That's it. All right.